Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I catch 250 points and what is the reason behind that. So before I start, make sure like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So once I release the new content, so definitely you will get the notification. So now let's get started. So this is a Bank Nifty and 15-minute chart. So as we discussed earlier, the Bank Nifty is running in a range. So that was a range, and finally price break the range. So we use range breakout and another third strategy. So basically I have three strategy, my entry rule. All right. So let me explain one by one. So every video I almost explain how I enter. So today which strategy I applied, okay, and even we will discuss tomorrow where is our key level and where is our entry point. We will discuss perfectly. Okay, now let's get started. So here price was running in a range. All right, finally price break this range. So my rule, price goes up, pull back, goes up, again pull back near breakout of structure, and I find out some entry point in this area. So all right, so next goes up, pull back, goes up and pull back near demand zone. So this is called demand zone. So I just trying to enter, or I just find out the confirmation near demand zone. All right, another strategy I applied, price goes up, pull back. Okay, let me remove this one. Goes up, pull back, goes up, and after that holding, and break this holding area. So I enter. So in this condition, price even not able to pull back near breakout of structure, nor price not able to pull back near demand zone. Okay. So today what happened here? You can see price goes up, pull back, and this is called breakout of structure. Okay, price not able to pull back to this level, and another here we can see this is called demand zone. Even price not able to pull back, not able to pull back. So what happened? So I need a sharp move up, holding, and break. My entry point will be there. Okay, so same thing happened today. Here you can see two confirmation. We have two confirmation here. One is break this range, that was our range. Okay, first range breakout, second sharp move, holding, and price wants to break. So I enter and I collect 250 points here. Let me show you 250 points. Okay. So basically everybody knows that I trade 50 rupees SL almost. So you can see 50 rupees SL and my target is 250. Somewhere there. 250. Exactly hit my 250 points. Okay, 250 points. All right. So why I enter? So you can see the first move here. So first move, price sharp move up, holding. Okay, price not able to pull back near breakout of structure nor demand zone, but price was holding here. So I enter here and I book my profit. So why I place order here? Because you can see this is a strong support, strong resistance. All right, if you want to see like previous market, they form as a support. Okay, let me show you in a large time frame for tomorrow. So in that case, let me find out first range and direction. Okay, now I can see this is the market actual range. So let me draw this one perfectly. Okay, this is my resistance zone now. Now I can see. So here you can see price goes down and the pullback again drop. And right now you can see price near breakout of structure. It is a probability. Remember, not 100% sure. According to this setup, goes up, pull back, goes up, and again pull back near breakout of structure in the last time frame. So it's a probability to drop again because, and right now here you can see this is near exactly breakout of structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, and a pullback. They are forming a lower low. Now question is there, can I go here short again? Like that. So to find out this answer, we must know the power of upper side, power of pullback. Okay. So in that case here you can see price drop, goes up, can I short here? No, because you can see this is a strong power. Again pullback, next the decreasing power toward the upper side. Again price pullback again. Now you can see that is our entry point toward the downside. And the same scenario here, you can see price drop, but here you can see even price are pulling back, even price near this breakout of structure, you can say like a support zone, and right now they are forming a resistance. But now you can see this is the power. All right, first you must know the power. Here you can see the very strong power toward the upside. So we don't know, price may reverse from this area or it will pull back near supply zone. Okay, this is the supply zone. Here you can see price goes up, and this is the supply zone. All right, price drop from this area. This is the supply zone. It is a probability to pull back area. So as I said, the price goes up. There are two conditions, right? It may reverse from the breakout of structure, or it may goes near supply zone. That was our supply zone, right? That was our supply zone. That was here real short. That is our supply zone. And right now, but price are near breakout of structure. This is the breakout of structure. All right. So now you can see when they approach this breakout of structure, is a very strong power. So that is why I'm not interested to short in this area suddenly. So in that case, I'll see some price action in a small time frame, like 5 minutes. Okay, I'll see some price action. Is upper power are declining or still strong? Once they're strong, so definitely we'll go for buy up to this level. It is a probability to pull back near supply zone. That was a supply zone. Okay, that is the main thing. Now here you can see this is a 15-minute, 1 hour chart. We have seen strong power toward the upper side. It's a high probability to continue to the level here. All right. So let me show you a 15-minute chart, how they are behaving. Now you can see after giving a sharp move up, market are holding in this area. Okay. So in that case, if price sustain above this area, so definitely I'll go for buy, and my target will be somewhere here. But basically I'll take 250, 250 points like that. Okay. First target will be 250. So again, price pullback, again I will enter up to 250. Okay. So that is the rule. Now for the short selling side. The selling side, I'll see some like that pullback. Again, price will try to break this higher point. But if price not able to break this higher point, again form any sell signal, so I can go for short, but my quantity will be low, like half of my quantity. Why half of my quantity? Because we have seen very strong power. All right, we have seen very strong power toward the upside. So that is why if I see any sell signal, because why I'm interested toward the downside, because this is the key level. Okay, so when price near the key level, we never miss the opportunity. All right, nobody doesn't know in which direction price will go, but we will enter in a key level. This is the key level. So key level, I need some price action method, like lower low, little bit. Price will try some to break this higher point, but if fail to create any form, any rejection candle, I will short it. All right, my target will be near. This is the breakout of structure, and again I will see some buy somewhere there like that. Okay, that is the rule. Okay, so now you can see that means we will see price action lower low, little bit, pull back, fail, and we will enter. So that is our entry point will be here. So first our entry point. Okay. Second, if price after giving a pullback here, I will buy. So it's a probability to go again. All right. So another here you can see if price stay like that and break this area, so definitely I will enter here for the buy. So that is my entry rule for tomorrow. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.